Hi all, my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor AI and DS department SNS institutions. So today I am here to present you a topic which is based on structure of agents from the unit 1 intelligent agents. So as the topic actually says, so this is something which is depend on the agents and the structure of it. So now what is this agent? An agent is actually a software program that can interact with different kinds of the surroundings, and it gathers the informations and complete the tasks, okay, on its own. So how it can gather different kinds of information is through the environment. So environmental factors differs based on different kinds of process, different kinds of features based on the availability and etc. So how this will react is based on the effectors. So now what is this effectors? Effectors is nothing but different kinds of sensors that will act based on the surroundings of agents and the environmental factors that is associated with it. Okay, so now in this it has a system from the robot which actually performs different kinds of digital assistance and shaping the future of the intelligent technology. Okay, now as I already told you, the structure of an agent is actually based on different kinds of process, that is it depends on sensors, it depends on actuators, and it depends on the performance measurements and the decision making probability, decision making things. So how it will work is at first it will collect the information from the different kinds of the environments. The next step it will process the information. Now the next step it will take the actions based on different kinds of environments, the features, etc. And the last thing is the learning and improvement process. Okay, now in this we have there are different classifications. So before going into the classification, we will see a case study which is nothing but a Roomba vacuum cleaner, which actually performs a very simple dirt cleaning technique which cleans the floor based on the different kinds of environment, and based on the sensors it will clean the floor. Okay, it will act automatically without any kind of model interruptions or any kind of external factors that is associated with it. Now in this how this agent is being defined is it is based on the percepts, it is based on the action, it is based on the environment and the performance matrix. Percepts is nothing but different kinds of sensors, that is it can be a camera or temperature data or any kind of thing. Actions are the different kinds of the actions that you are performing. Environment is the different kinds of the environmental factors. Performance measurements is nothing but the process in which the vacuum or any kind of the machine is being performed. Now the agent programs is nothing but it is actually the brain of the program. Okay, the brain of an agent. This is not, why? Because as I've already told you in the previous video, this is something which is related with different kinds of neurons and the associations of different kinds of process, right? So in this the internal function mapping percepts to the actions, and it actually determines the agent's rationality based on the performance measures. Now there are different key measurements and structure capabilities. Based on those the actions will be performed. Now there are different types which is based on this. The first thing is the simple reflex agent. So what is the simple reflex agent? It will actually performs the actions based on the present process. So now it direct the action, it is actually condition action rules, and the example for this is which is explained before as the Roomba. The second one is the model based reflex agent. It is something which allows and handles the partially observable environment by tracking the history. It will do the actions based on the historical things. It is actually doing a process, and it is actually an enhancement process of a simple reflex based agent. So you have three different components that is related with it, that is internal state, enhanced decision making, history tracking. Self driven car is one of the example for this. Next is goal based agent. Goal based agent is something which actually performs the actions based on the specific goal, and it is based on planning algorithm. Example for this is GPS system. Next is utility based agent. Utility based agent is something that aims to perform based on the different kinds of utilities and the different kinds of states. Okay, the example will be like a trading bot. Now concluding with this process, we have a certain process in which the agents will be performed, which I have explained you. There are different kinds. So apart from this, there are different classifications like being reactive, proactive, fixed, dynamic, single agent, multiple agent, and the rationality. So based on all these factors, the process will be executed. I hope that this video was informative. In the next video, I'll meet you with some other different topic. As of now, thank you.